will be delayed like anything in India, so much so that large money project will suffer in that case. The idea was based on outright importing the management technology. We have not good habit of doing everything of our own. We import the thing. But they should find out what happened to the share value in UK and in European Union when they separated the two positions. This affected their management also. But large money have still one person controlling the. Another thing which is expected, that suddenly government appoints a chairman from political person. Then what happens to I don't say that every political person is bad, but he has his own way in managing that. All things are known to us. So in India it is not going. We opposed it. Fortunately, it has been taken care of, and we are not going to have any sort of thing. You are talking of very ideal situation. It is very good. Chairman is for vision and chairing the board. It is very clear, and the rest of the thing is for implementation of the strategy and vision. It is very good. But in practice, it does not happen. Today, is there a clarity in the role of the owner? The owner is required, owner means government, is required whether the public sector, particular public sector is following the article of association or not, whether the public sector is doing it transparently without any corruption angle or not, whether they are ethical or not, whether they are doing some corporate social responsibility or not. These are 3, 4, 5 things for which government is required. If a public sector is doing all this, then where is the concern of the owner to again interfere in this? This is where we want a separation. In procurement, there are certain norms. Every PSU has a manual sort of thing which has been given by a standard practice, has the approval in principle from CBC, vigilance angle, and regulation angle. Every PSU has a, now coming to Maharatna, Naratna and Mini Ratna, they have some certain financial powers also to go by their board. So that is a system. It was not subscribed to the extent government gave, say 5%, then 3.5% was subscribed, not 100% was subscribed, because government has not given any discount to public sector. We have been asking to give some more discount